Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Porsche 911 hood. Pull the interior release lever near the driver's left kick panel, then reach to the hood center gap and feel for the secondary latch. Push the latch to the side while lifting the hood gently with your free hand. Raise the hood until the prop or strut supports engage, and double-check the hood is secure before letting go, keeping fingers safe. Approach the car with calm focus and follow each step deliberately. First, set the parking brake and switch off the engine to prevent surprises. Pull the interior hood lever sharply until the hood pops slightly, then walk to the front and slide your fingers into the center gap. Feel the safety catch and push or slide it while lifting the hood. Let the hood rise slowly until the support holds it in place securely. Know your Porsche 911 support type before you rely on it. If gas struts are fitted, lift until they take the weight and hold. If a prop rod is used, position it firmly in the designated hole until stable. Test stability gently before working under the hood and avoid placing fingers near hinges. When closing, lower the hood slowly and let it drop the last few inches to latch, checking alignment and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.